Hey class, so today, instead of reading a Newsela article, or Newsela as we sometimes call it, I'd like you to read a super science article about plastic in the ocean, plastic golf balls, and how one young man decided to clean it all up. And following that's going to be a science experiment that I want you to do at home. It's pretty easy. All you need is a container, fill it up with some water, and find some little pieces of plastic around your house, and you're going to see whether they sink or float. It's much like a science experiment you've probably done in younger grades, but this time I want you to see if timing it for a minute changes whether it sinks or floats. And this little observation activity is a good way to keep our science skills strong. Science skills like predicting, observing, really looking closely at the thing that you're handling, the plastic. You're going to look at it, see what it's made out of. And I want you to think about these things and how they end up in our water systems as you are observing whether they sink or float. Will plastic trash that sinks be worse for our water systems? Will it be harder to clean? Will plastic trash that floats be worse for our water systems? Will those be harder to clean? So I want you to do this experiment and see how it ends up.